What did you want to say, Sophia?
Thank you.
No.
Happy birthday.
To who?
Lizzie.
Whose birthday is it today?
Lizzie.
Lizzie, yes.
I want her Lizzie card.
Yes, you got a card from Lizzie today. But we don't know what was in it because what did you do with it?
Put it in people's box.
You put it in someone else's locked letterbox, didn't you?
Yeah.
And I don't know whose it was. It could have been any number of the 40 people who live in this place. So hopefully they'll put it back in our letterbox so we can open it.
When did you open our son and open it? And Lizzie open it and give her card.
Yeah, I hope so. Alright, we'll say goodbye to Lizzie now. You say goodbye to Lizzie?